Right, I'm looking at the possibility of getting involved with a long trade out of this level here. This is actually a 5 minute engulfing. I'll show you on that time frame in a sec. But I'm looking for price to maybe get down in here and give me a reason to go long. Because we can see when price came back in here, we had an inefficient move out, and now price is working its way back into this area. But if we have a look at this on a 15-minute time frame, we can see, because what was this? This was Monday's low, and price actually hasn't come back in and filled this in completely. You can see yesterday price reacted off of here and went up, and during, there was a big news event at 1:30, a lot of red news was out, and price came down and reacted off of yesterday's low, but it hasn't been back into here. And now, because this area is too big to get involved with, I drop down to a 5 minute chart, and we can see on a 5 minute chart this bearish candle has been engulfed, bearish engulfment, and moved that. Now price is moving back into this area, and this is why I'm interested in getting long from here. But if we take a look at what price did today, we can see this was the area, the highs that I was talking about in yesterday's video. See, once price transitioned through these highs, see where price was selling here, price transitioned into buying off of these levels, and price moved up through, what was this? Again, this was Monday's high. Price popped through, and this morning I was saying, on Forex Factory, there's no value in going long from up here with price being this stretched. It's not overbought, it's just overstretched. There's no value here. The value was in price pulling back, and I think this in here would have been a trade of the day. You see, off of this level, where price broke through the highs here and popped up, came back, tested the origins of this bullish move out, and returned bullish again. And the interesting thing here as well, there was no new high. There was a new high on that came through on the red news. And like I've said before, quite often institutions will, during major news events, they'll withdraw orders. So it'll only take a small pop of orders to push price up into here. And we can see price came up. It didn't quite fill this inefficient area here. And this is price action from Thursday the 28th of December. That you can see there's a skinny leg there, and looks like price today came back and filled probably 3/4 of that in, and it's now dropped away. And well, now, like I say, I can see price maybe coming back. Where is it? There's the wick area. There's the wick area off of this bearish candle. I can see price maybe coming back, filling that in, and then it won't surprise me to see price dropping lower, because there's a lot of liquidity down here. There's a lot of like this, you know, this low hasn't been tested, hasn't been broken through, and there's, look at the skinny leg there. Look at that massive bullish wick there. There's a lot of stuff down below that needs to be tested and cleared out. Like I said, it won't surprise me to see price push lower, but before it does that, it won't. Like I said, I won't be surprised to see price push up into this area before dropping off. You know, because obviously there was something selling up here that pushed price down. Price has been up, picked up more sell orders, pushed down. It'll. Like I say, I can see price coming up into this area. If not here, then up into this bullish candle here. You know, coming back up into here. And maybe dropping off. But, like I say, I would like to see price come back, work its way into here. Because we can see that this is the origins of this bullish move. I mean, it didn't quite make a new high off of here. And, you know, price might not need to come back here. It might just decide, you know, it's going to go up. See, there was inefficiency on the way out of this level. And there again, you know, price could just leave. You know, anybody going long after this push up, anybody long in here is going to be trapped now, and they might not come back and fill that inefficiency in. They might just drop off from here. But like I said, I won't be surprised to see another push up, at least into these two highs. Maybe just, like I said, it might just pop up into here, pick up more liquidity and drop off. You know, it just depends, you know, what people with the power to shift the market have in mind for it. But I'll show you I mean, this was the trade of the day for me. And of course I wasn't here to take it. I'll show you on the 15-minute chart. You see, I was posted on Forex Factory, I think when price was up around here, saying, you know, there's no value in going long, and I had this level here and this level drawn out, anticipating, you know, price reacting off of I mean, this was a bit weak here, but this was you can see all the efficiency, all the balance that's gone on in here, and then price pushing out, that it was a good level to see price retrace to. And when you look on the 1 minute at that level, we can see, you see the balance here, price pushed down, price never returned here to you know, to make a new low, and there was all this balance area here, and you see, we've got this candle here and this candle, and price pushed out of these two candles, just didn't actually close above and make a new high, but you can see how price was held here, right through this level here, look, and you see that bullish push out. I'd be definitely looking, after all this, price failing to push lower and make new lows after all of this, and then seeing that bullish candle there, I'd be looking for price to come back and fill in to the top of that bearish candle. That I would have been looking to go. Look, there's loads of opportunities, and that candle there, look how it comes back, fills in back to that red candle, look, and look at that. I mean, that would be the absolute perfect entry. Bang, and off you go. And what was that? That would have been an easy, I mean, see, I got in at 43. There, you're out at, well, I would be out at 63 up there. That, you know, that was the trade of the day right there. And this is it. You've just got to have the patience to wait for these perfect setups. See, there was a bit of reaction off of this. But this level here, you can see it's nothing like this level. Look at the balance in here, the efficiency that was going on, building price. I mean, this was going on sort of too late last night to get involved with anything, and price pushed out of here. And when you see a balanced area like this, all the balance that was going on in here, and then price pushing out, it's it's a classic place to look for a bullish trade when price returns. And you can see, price popped out of here, came up, but you can see during before the red news, price was failing. Price was coming up to this level and then just dropping off, failing to make a new high, and then just popped up, claimed whatever liquidity might have been sitting above there, and just dropped off. And now look, I mean, I might have missed this. Price might not, it's probably not going to come back in here. It's not going to let me in, but this late in the day, I'm not overly, I want to be looking for a good setup. I don't want to be caught out like I was on Monday and, having 2 losses this late in the week. But like I said, now it won't surprise me to see price pushing up into here. I mean, if price can now ran inefficiently all the way up into this level, and there was this sort of price action going on at this level, or even up here, look, you see you see the balance that was here is repeated here. So yeah, it won't surprise me to see price even pop up into there. Or it might only get up into this level, to the 50 level again. Because this would have been a good trade out of here as well. I'll show you that on a 15-minute. You see that bullish 15-minute candle was fully engulfed by the red news, and then see how price push back up into test the break of it, the break of this candle. News pushed price out, price came back into it. If we look on the 1 minute, would there have been let's have a look. There's price making a high. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have got involved with this because I would have been looking for price. I wouldn't have been looking to just jump in here. When price moved out of here at speed, I'd have been looking for price to come back in and fill in some of these bullish candles here. To filled some of this back in. That's what I mean. That's what price might be aiming to do now. Yeah, that won't surprise me at all because you can see how inefficiently price moved out of here down to this level, and now it won't surprise me one bit. There'll be, I don't know, is there liquidity sitting above these two equal highs? But I'm looking at price coming back into this level, and if I see bearish reaction out of here, that would be a great place to go short. Because see all this with this pushing up here, price came up into this level of balance and dropped off. Then price came back in here and dropped off, made a new low. Yeah, so it looks more like this area. Like I said, between these three bullish candles, here, it won't surprise me at all to see price come back, fill this in, especially see what we've got there, the half number, 127.50. So yeah, that's very likely to happen. But it's something, for everyone to keep an eye on. I'll stop this video here, get this loaded up onto YouTube, and then you can have a look, see if we do get a reaction out of here, and if we do, I might come back later, depending how late it is, and look at maybe taking a trade from here if something sets up. Anyway, if you find these videos useful and helpful, because what you'll find, it depends on what type of trader you are, whether you're a short-term trader or a swing trader. If you're a swing trader, what I'm doing, you won't be finding at all useful. But if you find value in short-term trading, then hopefully somebody can find some value in these videos. That if you do find value, if you could press the like button and subscribe. Anyway, I'll leave it there for now. Okay, bye.